Hi guys, so I just tried to film my first attempt at this eye look. I didn't like it, so I'm going to try again. Oh yeah, hold on, let's show you guys my nails. And just to make them better, because I've been going through mad hay fever symptoms, it goes, my tissues go with my nails. How cute is that? How cute. It's the small things, it really is sometimes, you know. Just pick you up a bit. So I'm going to go into the Juvia's Place Festival palette. And I'm going to go into the red. Oh, I forgot to tell you in my haste. This look is inspired by my favourite crisp, Sensations Thai Sweet Chilli. Let me stop shaking the table. Yeah, it's like my all-time favourite crisp, so yeah. You know, my crisp series is going on. I think this is the last video. Yeah, I left the best to last. Very good started. Yeah, the red will just go stab in. Man, why can't all shadows just be like Juvia's Place, man? Look at that. Wow. It can't be disputed, like, come on. Okay, so we started with the red, we just pop that, and then we're going to blend it out. I used the A12, as usual, and then I'm going to use the B06 to blend it out with the same red colour. I'm going to soften it out a bit and bring it out, like drag it out a bit further. Now I'm in two minds because the first time I used the black and I'm not sure if I should just use a dark brown or I should use a smaller brush, so I'm just trying to work that out first. I think I'll use the black but on a smaller brush. Yeah, it took over a little bit the last time. Yes, I'm going to use the A16 brush, really small brush, and I'm going to go into I Love You in the Violet Boss hashtag palette. And this is the black I spoke about in my Tammy I don't know if you heard that, but wow. Yeah, threw me. Yeah, this was the black I was talking about when I was reviewing Tammy's palette. I was saying this is the best black I've used. Because look, my god, this is black. I'm just going to line around my lid with that. Don't want to go too crazy. And then we're going to blend it out with the blending brush we used before with the red. Now this is the scary part because I've tried to blend out, not just my last try, but before this, I've tried to blend out black and red before, and it just got really muddy. And this is doing nothing. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. Okay, it's starting to do something. I think. I hope so. Okay, it's blending out now. But you see, even with me blending it out, you haven't lost like the intensity of the black. That's what my issue was with the Makeup Revolution one. But as I said previously, this black comes in a palette that is £43 and Tammy's one is £10. So the difference will be clear, you know. Yeah, I think that's a cool blend. What do you guys think? I'm going to use the Revolution Cut Crease Canvas in Create. I really wish this brush had a name, because it's literally so perfect for cutting the crease. No, I'm going to freehand my cut crease. This took forever the first time, and it's probably going to take the same amount of time this time. Nope, I am going to use my ASOS liquid eyeliner and just do a wing out to the end. Every time I see someone do a glitter look, I'm just like, how do you get your, while I poke myself in the eye, how do you get your eyeliner so smooth, like with no glitter in it? And I figured, now that I'm trying it, they just do it before. I listened to that Old Town Road song earlier, like before I started my face, and I was bloody well stuck in my head. Okay, that's nice. I'm ready to move, aren't I? Lighting's great. Yeah, so you can see my liner a bit better now. Ooh, that's a good wing. Where did my mirror drop? Oh yeah, I finally put batteries in it, so it has lights. I won't lie, the amount of time this eye is taking, it may have to be one of those I do half my face and take a picture of that side sort of day, because how I'm gonna get it looking the same. I will just pop in the glitter primer, the glue, the NYX glitter primer all over where there's free space of our cut crease, because that's where the glitter is going to go. What I'll say is, take your time with the glitter, because I think that's what got me the last time. Okay, glitter time. The moment of truth. Should I use the same brush? Yeah, I'm going to use this same brush with the NYX Red Brilliance glitter. Open your eye real wide and start dabbing it into the position you want it in. Yeah, it's going well so far, that little dot. Take your time, stop trying to rush. This eyeliner came out really well. I'm shook. I'm glad I started again now. For a moment I thought I was being a bit dramatic starting again, because it wasn't the worst, but it wasn't as good as this. I should have kept that footage, you know, so you could see how bad it was. I'm going to check if I still have it, and I add a little clip of how it looked when it was close to this stage. When it was pretty. It's coming together. I'm so happy, you don't even know. This is when I'm going to get overexcited and ruin it, isn't it? Isn't it? Isn't it? There really is technique to this glitter applying, and once I learn it, it's all over for these bitches. The thing is with glitter, when it comes to the whole cut crease part, I think for those of us that are used to do, like, you know, the proper sharp cut creases, we have to get over the thought that it's going to be a perfect, or it should be a perfect cut crease, because it's not going to be. Like, glitter is designed literally to get everywhere. Look as neat as I can make it, but I know at the same time it's not going to be super neat. But you see that little dip there? That's what make a dip. Dip? Yeah, I'm not trying to have that. Yes. And then I'm gonna go over the eyeliner once I'm finished with this. I'll be lazy and do a power of makeup, like do half my face, because I really don't know how I'm gonna do this on the other side. But I'm shook! Yeah! I'm so happy! Oh, it came together. I had to move because the lighting is, I'm losing it. I don't usually film this late and I'm using natural lighting. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do a half and half, you know? Like, do you notice anything about our face?
Yeah, half is done and the other half isn't.
Yeah, what do you think?
It's cool, close your eye. Yeah, woo! It's very pink.
What? Yes. It's supposed to be red.
Oh, whoops. All I can see is pink, guys. All I see is pink.
Well, it's red.
There's an eye thing, like it's flicking. Did you do a liner or something?
Yeah, I did liner.
Yeah, so there's a liner. There's 1, 2, 3. I think there's about 4 to 5 colours here.
Really? Well, it's
3. It's 4.
2. No, it's 2.
Oh.
And
one's gone over the other.
No, then I put the glitter on.
Uh-huh.
So I did the red and then the black.
Okay.
And then you cut the crease and then.
Well,
do you think it's a big difference or like? But...
No, it's a big difference in comparison to what you do.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's nice.
Okay. I'm not gonna. Well, that's me done, guys. I did the half and half. Well, power of makeup, I think it's called. Let me know what you think. Oh, let me take my headband off. Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. There's the makeup side, the no makeup side. So I hope you enjoyed the Chris series, and thank you for watching. Bye!